Okay, today I'm going to make a breakfast sandwich on my stick stove. So first we got to get the stick stove started. And here's how I usually do it. I have a cotton ball and a stick. I try to work itself in there like this. Mash it around. And I take some Vaseline and put it on the cotton ball. And then I try to get the cotton ball lit using a striker. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, I think I got it started. And then what I do is I leave a stick in the middle and I pull that out. And I put that in, just like that. And that should start. So once the fire comes up to cooking speed and there's no smoke, I'll bring it back. Okay, so we're back and the fire looks like it's ready to go. First thing I like to do is I'm going to start off with prepping everything. What I usually do is take an egg, crack it, and I put it in a little one of these little aluminum pans, and I put it in here because I like to make the egg as small as possible. And I have some kibasi, which I'm also going to throw in the pan. We just put that on. And let's just keep an eye on that. As soon as the egg gets nice and white, then I'll flip it over and then it'll be ready to take out. We'll cook up the kibasi a little bit as well so it gives it some flavor. It's got a lot of flavor now, but it'll give it a lot more cooked flavor, which I like. I like the fact that it's not cooking too fast. This way I can keep a close eye on it so it doesn't burn. So far, so good. You can see how the egg is starting to whiten up a little bit. As soon as it gets all white, we'll just flip it upside down for about 30 seconds and then we'll take it out. Okay, now it's time to flip the egg. What I usually do is just take it. Nope. That's done. Kibasi's almost ready. Okay, now the kibasi, let's check that. Oh, that looks done. That looks good too. Okay, let's take that out. And now I'll take my skillet and put it in a safe spot. Flame is going real nice now. Okay, so let me show you the end result. Okay, what I have here is 2 pieces of rye bread, a piece of yellow cheese with a slice of tomato on one side, and then on the other side I have some Polish kibasi fried up and a nice egg also fried up, as you saw earlier. So that's how I make my breakfast sandwich on the stick stove. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you.